Where are we going, Dad?
Hey?
Where are we going, Dad?
I don't know.
Welcome to The Works. I've driven up this morning and I'll just show you around. So this is the industrial sector. This has some lower grades on it, but it's still quite tough. Favourite one's this one. I can't remember the name of it, but that's my favourite one. It was drilled by my dad, so it's got to be. And then I don't think we have very many routes along here. It's not had much done to it, as you can tell with the growth. We have a couple in here. I think someone decided to do a multi-pitch on this one, interestingly. And you can see the caves down there. And all these caves link up and lead back round to the car park. Well, to another cave which brings you out towards the car park. And this is a bit more overgrown than last time when we were here. It's been a while because of lockdown. And then my favourite, we've got the cave in here. It's the only place really I can do near us that I can do some chaining, leading and tooling on. And all these routes along here, they're all drilled and they've all had bolts put in, so no trad climbing here, thankfully. You've got one up there. I've done that one. And then take you a bit closer. And then we've got in here. So here, along this steep edge, we've got Bloodline, M10. I've done that one. Youngest female ascent of that one. And then if I take you a bit closer, we've got, I think, which one's this one, Dad? The one straight up?
Blood donor.
Blood donor, I think. Not done that one. I think that's a M9 plus. I'm not sure. It starts off at First Blood, start here, and First Blood goes right along there, and then up to that corner, following the quick draws. And I've done that one, M9 plus, I think. So I got the youngest descent on that one. But today we are trying the M11 in here. Very difficult. It's really steep. So you start along this slab here and work your way right along. There's some mega reaches. You work right along here and up to the chains of First Blood. And then we've got some other stuff at the back of this quarry, but that's really, really hard. And that's Future. Which ones are these ones along here?
Up there, hanging a rat on the left, you've got Guardians, which is 12, I think.
Oh, 12. Did Andy Turner drill that one and set that one? So it's tough. And then we've got one from the right. Has anyone ever done the one from the right at the back of the cave?
I don't think so.
Up, so maybe we could get a first ascent of that one. And And then here. Yeah.
Any clip?
Huh?
Any clip?
Not yet.
Nice. Nearly, come on. Yes. Strong. Nice, Ems. Come on. Come on. Can you clip that next clip? Good, good.